So first and foremost, today has been the most long-awaited day. It's auspicious, it is filled with many emotions. There is joy, there's happiness, but there's also sadness, and still we are tinged with some anxiety as to what this is going to mean for us going forward. The settlement of our claim has only just begun. We will take what has been provided and look to manifest the dreams and aspirations of Ngāti Maniapoto today and tomorrow through what has been achieved, a 30-year battle and a war that's been much longer.
I think it's more of an emotional day. A lot of our kaumātua have worked the last 35 years to get this settlement. A few have passed on, but there's still a few left, and I think today is a significant day for them, seeing from the start to right to the end to today where our Auntie Jacinda will sign off our settlement deed. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today.
But there is still a fight that needs to happen. And as some of those who came away from that parekura, that event, they said that they came away to fight another day in a different way. So the fight today is not with a gun, not with a weapon, but with a heart. So Ngāti Maniapoto will show the crown today, our heart. And there will be a reciprocity so that what we are fighting is other circumstances, not each other.
We planted a tree back in 1869 with the Minister of Defence, Donald McLean, and that tree fell down with the wind. So we are determined to ensure that our tree that we plant today and going forward will be one with strong roots, and we'll ensure that complete partnership with the Crown to hold them to account to ensure that our people are looked after, and we ensure that we achieve the aspirations of our people going forward.
Yeah, I see our people in 50 years' time moving actually back in time, time where Maniapoto held the kingitanga. We were a stronghold to be messed with. We made our own rules. We had, an aukati, and we had all the resources in the mana to do as we please. And so people came to us for refuge. People came to us and they said, hey, Maniapoto, we need help. So I'd love to actually return to a place where Maniapoto and Aotearoa, even the world are going, Maniapoto, we need help, can you help us? And we have the resources, the mana, the people to actually do so. So that's where I see our people empowered, loving life and just helping each other.